This is ChainMind, the decentralized AI network built for everyone. Just search ChainMind on Google, sign up, download the app, and you're in. That's it. You've joined the network. Run it on any device, phone, laptop, or server. Why ChainMind? Fully decentralized, fully yours.
Imagine a swarm of silent drones slipping toward Europe's offshore gas platforms, ready to cripple the continent's energy lifeline. First, cheap, autonomous UAVs now blend with civilian traffic, outpacing radar and traditional air defense built for jets, not tiny swarms. Second, the recent Black Sea breach showed glaring blind spots, limited sensor reach, a single command node vulnerable to jamming, and no shared threat intel across neighboring states. Third, a decentralized AI inference network can turn those weaknesses into strengths, spreading detection, analysis, and response across countless nodes, delivering real-time intel instantly and resisting any single point of failure. The future of critical infrastructure defense lies in a distributed, adaptive brain that learns from every sensor, every nation, and every encounter. Follow ChainMind to see how decentralized AI is building that resilient shield.